Alright, I'm going to show you how this motor lift works. I like my motors up high for some reason, but this is the way it works. I'm going to demonstrate it while it's on the stand with the steering hooked up. Okay, works pretty good for me. Alright, I'm going to try and show you the motor lift actually. Okay, I've got a line right here. It's attached to the head. Goes down to a cleat right up in here. And when you pull it, it's self-locking cleat. So you pull it up, it lets loose. And luckily this handle just happened to fit on there. It's one off of the Kayak. It works out pretty good. Okay, well I can get more on it. I'll bring it to you. My videos have been short. I apologize for that. Sometimes these are just spur of the moment videos. This is the newer Kayak that I inherited. It's a Wilderness 16 Tarpon. I'm building the motor mount now. Once I get it done, we're going to find out which is the better Kayak as far as everything. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.